Hi guys, I'm Toni Braxton. Welcome to my skincare beauty regimen routine. So I'm a simple basic girl. I like to be able to go to Walgreens or CVS basic to wash my face, and I found this great product that I love, of course, is Aveeno. It really works. It's great for me. So it's first step one. Hair got a little teeny bit wet. I should say the fabulous wig got a little bit wet. I decided to wear Samantha today. So Sam's with me, I'm not alone. You are not alone. Everyone always asks, what do I use? What's my moisturizer? It is Dr. Lancer. My favorite product, put it on my face and my neck, and it just soothes all those lines. You know, if you can't see anything, my makeup goes on much smoother. Spider bit me, I left the balcony door open, so yeah, there we are. Click, click. This thing right here, okay, it is, I'm gonna be honest, it is a vibrator. It is a vibrator, but I call it a face tingler. It just tingles the muscles in my face and get them activated and working. I haven't used it on anything else other than my face, okay, just FYI. I just take this and got the little ball here, which is perfect. Sometimes I put it in the freezer, it's really cold. I just kind of rub it and it just activates all those muscles, get them together. We are working today. We are gonna be cute today. Under my eyes are really important to me. Tells your age a little bit. There we go. I love eyebrows. It's my favorite thing. I feel if my eyebrows are done, I can go out and put on some big sunglasses and some red, bold lipstick, and no one will know I'm not made up. Gotta have the eyebrows done. I'm just gonna darken these up a little bit. The 90s, I had a really thin eyebrow moment. I mean, I was going for the Josephine Baker look because my hair was short and stuff. So I had the really thin ones. And that happened by accident too, because I tweezed them and plucked them way too much and was forced to have that look, which kind of worked for the 90s. But 2020, gotta have something a little bit heavier. I love doing my own makeup. It kind of relaxes me. So before, I always have makeup artists when I'm doing shows and things like that, but they kind of just have everything placed for me and let me play, and then they clean it up. I kind of learned how to do my own makeup when I did Broadway. Beauty and the Beast is doing Belle. And I kind of learned how to do it myself because, you know, it's like one makeup artist to 3 people. So you kind of have to get acclimated. And I do my eyes first always because I always spill. So I'm just going, and it's easier to clean it up. I just put some Dr. Lancer, some more on there, and a Q-tip and clean it up, and it's perfect. I'm gonna do a little bit of a liner. I got this from Walgreens. I'm a Walgreens girl. And I got it because it's red, and you ever have all your makeup everywhere and you can't find it? So I can always find the eyeliner. Okay, if I wasn't doing this, it would be much cleaner, but because you guys are watching, I have an audience now. My hand is all over the place. Okay. I never used to wear lashes. When I first came out in the business, like in the 90s, I'm telling my age, parts that make me like 20 something, parts of me are 20. So we're good. I never used to wear lashes. I thought they were completely uncomfortable. So you'll see some looks where I have no lashes, like full face, no lash. And of course your face looks completely incomplete. But then I learned about Bridget Bordeaux, and her lashes were everything. And my makeup artist, Fran Cooper, taught me about that. And I simply just take a brush, the end of the brush, put it on there and just kind of put it on. I do front of the lash, center of the lash, and behind the lash. And then I just take my little fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Voila! And I'm going in. I kind of go down and put them on. Okay, here we go. Lashes can be tough. Jeez. Do I have lash strength? Do I have lash knees? Because you kind of gotta, it's like yoga. You gotta bend down to get the right angle. Sheesh. There we are. That looked kind of natural, huh? It only took me 20 minutes. Let's work on the other one. Okay, foundation time. Everyone, you have to have your pink balls. These are my favorite things. I just moisten them a little bit, kind of pre-damp my face just a little bit. Now I do my makeup a little different, okay? It works for me. First thing I do, this is crazy. I put this on, do my contour first. A little on my nose, a little bit right there. It's Bobbi Brown. Now this is another thing I do, guys. I take Bobbi Brown and I cover it. I know. Where is she going? Who is this lady? Ah, here it is. I'll put this right underneath. I know this is the backwards way to put on your makeup, but it works for me. I put all my colors on. Then I cheat, guys. I go all the way across on my concealer. And I know this looks really heavy now, but in a second it's gonna look natural. It's gonna look natural. I go all the way across to try to make that bridge go away. I'm gonna this little bug bite that's on my face. We're gonna cover that. That's really not cute. This is my little laugh line. This is a little darker between this color and that color. I'm gonna add that right there. Okay, I'm gonna add this right here between it. It's a little darker. And a little bit right there. I know it seems heavy, but it's not gonna be. It's important to match your neck. I hate, my auntie used to wear makeup and you used to see the ring. She used to wear Fashion Fair, which I still love Fashion Fair. Fashion Fair is still hot. Just remember the neck. From everything, from moisturizers to foundations, just remember the neck. And you'll never go wrong. And I'm thinning it out as I'm doing it. I have a variety of different textures and foundations that I love. Today I'm using something a little more shiny. I want to be shiny on purpose. Sometimes on stage, if I'm performing, I want it to be a little more matte because I don't want it to rub off on my skin or anything like that or you're sweating. But for daily use, I like a little bit of gloss. I think it looks a little more natural. All right, I think it's coming together. You already know by this that it's, of course, it's matte, even though it's old. So I put this on. It's orange. I know it seems like a lot. It's not. And I mix it. This. There we go. Holla back, y'all. Whoop, whoop. There we are. Whoop, whoop. Now I'm gonna powder me up. And it's gonna seem like a lot of powder. And this is my favorite little blender because my fingers can just slide in and go in the back of it. I get in the nooks and crannies. So I'm just gonna do it lightly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I count threes. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3. And I'm just gonna let it bake just a smidgen. This is gonna bake. Not too long, because I promise you, you'd be like, dry. All right, now I'm gonna powder it off. Here we go. Is that too much? Okay, it's a little shiny right there. My favorite lip, a dose of color. My makeup artist, Eva the Diva, got me on this one. L'Oreal, because I'm worth it. I'm an artist from the 90s. I'm still here today, of course, but the 90s was everything. It was fresh. It was about music. It was about big budget videos. It was about being an artist and being as grand and as big as you could be, like $3 million on a video, like things like that, budgets and clothes and a week video. It was like making movies every time you did a video. It was just great going to record stores and actually looking through it and getting the CDs, and it was the best time. It was just the best time to be an artist to me in the 90s. So I get why the younger generation are fascinated with it. I'm still fascinated with it. It was just the best decade to be an entertainer of all times. Everything about it was glamorous. Let's see what Sam has for me. Sam, I named all my wigs, so that's the look. And I would suggest long hair. I love a nice hoop. I think it kind of modernizes everything up to the face. And I like to poke them out just a little bit so you can see one. And I'm all ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.